Welcome to Our Tech of Life. If you like the information, subscribe to our channel. Have you ever wondered why data structures in Python hold such significance? Well, it's because they provide a way to organize and store data so that it can be accessed and worked on efficiently. They are fundamental to any programming language, and Python is no exception. Dive into the fascinating world of Python data structures. Have you ever wondered why data structures in Python hold such significance? Well, it's because they provide a way to organize and store data so that it can be accessed and worked on efficiently. They are fundamental to any programming language, and Python is no exception. Dive into the fascinating world of Python data structures. First, we have the humble list. A list in Python is a collection of items that can be of different data types. It's mutable, meaning you can change its content. Here's an example. Imagine having a basket of fruits with apples, bananas, and cherries. In Python, you would define this as a list like so: fruits equals sign. Now, if you want to add a fruit, say an orange, just use the append method, fruits append orange. And there you have it, a list that now includes an orange. Next up, we've got tuples. A tuple is quite similar to a list. The main difference lies in the fact that, unlike lists, tuples are immutable. This means that once you create a tuple, you cannot change its content. Let's say you have a tuple with the same fruits. Fruits underscore tuple equals sign, apple, banana, cherry. Trying to add another fruit to this tuple would result in an error. Tuples are beneficial when you want to ensure that certain data cannot be changed. Moving on to sets. A set in Python is an unordered collection of unique items. Let's say you have a bag of distinct fruits. Fruits underscore set equals sign, apple, banana, cherry. Due to its unique nature, even if you try to add another apple into the set will remain as is. Sets are great when you want to maintain uniqueness in your collection. Lastly, we delve into dictionaries. A dictionary in Python is an unordered collection of data values used to store data values like a map, unlike other data types that hold only a single value as an element. For instance, you can have a dictionary where the keys are the name of the fruits and the values are their colors. Fruits underscore dict equals sign, apple, red, banana, yellow, cherry, red. Now you can easily find the color of any fruit in your dictionary. In summary, Python's data structures are tools for storing and organizing data. Lists are mutable and ordered, tuples are immutable and ordered, sets are mutable and unordered with unique elements, and dictionaries store data in key-value pairs. Understanding these structures and when to use them will undoubtedly improve your efficiency and proficiency as a Python programmer. Remember, the right data structure with the right algorithm can revolutionize your code, so don't underestimate the importance of understanding these Python data structures. The power of Python lies in your hands. Harness it wisely.